This is the vending machine.
At Rockledge Gardens in Rockledge, Florida.
And we are going to...
You're gonna get, what do you get? Sprite, Fanta, or Powerade?
I think we're going to get a Coke.
I don't think you should have a Coke.
Okay.
They've got caffeine.
Yeah. Okay.
So, one of these four.
So let's just stem. Ooh.
Grape, fruit punch, Sprite, and orange.
What should we get? I guess we'll get the, so I don't waste too much time, we'll get the, let's just get a pan here so we don't wait. One quick one. And there's the whole vending machine. Alright, let's get what we're gonna get so we don't waste
Decide what you're gonna get.
So let's get, I guess we'll get Fanta. Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Alright, here we go. Fanta. I should have gotten it close. Oh well, the camera.
That's close enough.
Oh, we got the camera. Well, at least we got to see it coming out.
Fanta.
And let's go ahead and open up.
There you go.
Oh no.
Quick, sip it, quick. Sip it, sip it.
Look at this. And that's it.
Don't forget to like.
Don't forget to subscribe.
And ring that bell.